Most productive vegetables for a balcony and patio garden. If you're working with a small space such as a balcony, you'll want to opt for vegetables that are compact. Lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale can be harvested leaf by leaf, allowing for a continuous yield throughout the season. They also grow well in containers, making them some of the most productive vegetables you can grow. These grow quickly and take up minimal space. Some varieties are ready to harvest in less than a month. While technically not a vegetable, herbs like basil, rosemary, parsley, thyme, and cilantro are high yield and continually produced throughout the season. Both hot peppers and bell peppers can produce a good amount of fruit in a small space, especially if well cared for. Some of the faster maturing varieties include early jalapeno, a hot pepper variety that typically matures in about 60 to 65 days, Hungarian hot wax, also known as banana pepper. This is a moderately hot pepper that matures in about 65 to 70 days. Cayenne Lawn Slim, a hot pepper variety that matures in about 70 days, California Wonder, a popular bell pepper variety that typically matures in about 70 to 75 days, Gypsy, a sweet bell pepper that can mature in about 60 to 65 days. Pole beans grow upwards and can be trained along trellises, poles, or other supports, making efficient use of vertical space. This allows you to grow a productive crop even in a small footprint. Grow these. Blue Lake FM1K pole. This variety matures in approximately 60 to 70 days. The Blue Lake Dean is a classic favorite, known for its good flavor and reliability. Kentucky Wonder pole, also known as Old Homestead. This variety has been a favorite of many gardeners for over 100 years. It matures in approximately 65 days and produces 8 to 9-inch long pods. Northeaster pole. This is a Romano-type bean that matures in about 55 days. The beans are wide and flat and have a delicious flavor. Emerald pole. This French variety matures in about 60 days. It is known for its slender, flavorful pods. Rattlesnake pole, named for its distinctive purple streaks, which disappear when cooked. This variety matures in about 65 to 75 days. It's very productive and tolerant of heat and drought. Vortex pole. This is another French variety that produces extra long, round pods. It matures in about 60 days and remains tender, even when the beans inside have grown large. Gold of Bacau pole. This Romanian heirloom matures in about 60 days. It has flat, yellow pods that are very tasty. Purple King pole, a beautifully colored variety with purple flowers and deep purple pods, matures in about 60 to 75 days. This root vegetable grows well in containers, and both the beetroot and the greens can be eaten, increasing your harvest. You can grow Detroit Dark Red. This variety is a classic favorite, known for its sweet flavor and smooth texture. The roots grow to about 2 to 3 inches in diameter, making them a good size for containers, cilindro or formanova. These beets have a unique, elongated shape and are known for their sweet flavor. They're also great for containers because they grow more deeply than they do wide, which can be a better fit for pot cultivation. Bull's Blood. This variety is not only good for its sweet, tender roots, but also for its dark red leaves, which are delicious when harvested young for salads. This variety is also more tolerant of warmer temperatures than some other beet varieties. Plants that love to climb, which can be a benefit in a small space. By training cucumber plants to grow up a trellis, cage, or stake, you can maximize your yield while minimizing the footprint. On your balcony, you can grow bush slicer. This is a great dwarf variety, perfect for containers. It produces sweet and juicy 8-inch fruits on compact plants. Patio snacker, a very compact climbing cucumber that produces delicious, crisp and small cucumbers. It's perfect for containers and does well with a small trellis to climb. Space Master. This is a popular variety for container gardens because it's a compact bush variety that produces a decent yield of flavorful cucumbers. Pickle bush. If you're a fan of pickles, this variety could be perfect for you. It's a compact variety that produces excellent cucumbers for pickling. Salad bush, as the name implies, this cucumber variety is perfect for salads. It's a dwarf, bushy variety that produces full-size slicing cucumbers. This award-winning eggplant variety is compact and highly productive. The plants produce a large number of mini eggplants, perfect for roasting or grilling. Here are some of the best ones. Patio Baby. This hybrid is a 2014 All-America Selections winner. It's a compact plant, growing up to 16 to 20 inches tall, but it can yield up to 50 small, 2 to 3 inch long fruits. Little Prince. This is another compact variety that produces small, 3 to 4 inch long, tasty eggplants. It's great for containers and small space gardens. Fairy Tale. This is an award-winning variety that produces small, elongated purple and white striped fruits. It's compact and perfect for containers.